into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shell Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Today we're going to be learning how to create a Disney Family Vacation SVG file in Silhouette Studio. So the first thing you're going to do is create two circles that are about 5 inches all around. Okay, so I'm just going to duplicate my first circle. Have about 2 inches between both of the circles, and then you want to select both of them, align them vertically, and then group them together. Then I'm going to create another circle that will be roughly around 7.4 inches all around. Then I'm going to overlap that big circle around the two small ones, align it vertically, and then I'm going to select the entire image and weld it together. Change the color, and there's our Mickey Mouse, guys. So once you're done with that, we're going to select the knife tool, and we're going to hold down the shift key and then draw a straight line across, and that will cut your Mickey Mouse in half. I'm going to change the color. Now we're going to work on the buttons. So you want to create two oval shape and so these ovals will be around 1.261 inches by 0.746 inches. And then we're going to duplicate that circle and then space it out. Once you have your spacing, then you're going to select both ovals, right click, and group them together. Then we're going to align them, select the entire image, and group it all together. Now we're going to work on the text. So we're going to create a circle . At about 8.275 inches all around. Then we're going to align that circle with the image. And then we're going to type out our text. Mine will say Disney Family Vacation. So I'm going to add color to the text so you guys can see it better. And then we're going to change the font. And I will have links down below to where you can find this font as well. So I'm just going to change the size of the font to 80. And then we're going to double click on it and drag it over the circle to give that curved effect. Right click Scroll down, select convert to path, and remove that circle. And I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to move that text down a little bit, and then we're going to ungroup it. And the reason for this is because some of the letters have shifted over, overlapping into others. So I'm just correcting that, moving them over a little bit. Now here I'm just going to group all of the letters together, and then I'm just going to align the text with the Mickey ears, and then I'm going to select the entire image and group it all together. And that's it, guys. You have successfully learned how to create a Disney Mickey Mouse head SVG file in Silhouette Studio. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.